Hi, I'm Houssein Djirdeh for the Developer Show. Chrome Dev Summit is back again for another year in San Francisco, and there are a bunch of things we're excited to talk about. Here are the top 5 juiciest stories. To cover number 1, the first edition of the Web Almanac has just launched. The Almanac combines extensive HTTP archive data for millions of URLs with the expertise of many top contributors in the web ecosystem. It's an annual State of the Web report containing 20 chapters that covers every major aspect of the web, including page content, user experience, and content distribution. For number 2, the Search Console now includes a brand new speed report, which provides information on how groups of pages on your site are performing against key metrics. All of this information comes from real user measurements thanks to the Chrome User Experience Report. Currently, developers use a whole suite of different performance metrics to assess how well their site is performing. 2 brand new metrics make up number 3 in this list. When we talk about time to first paint, we don't really have a very good way to measure how quickly users can see the most important content on the page. Well, now that's changed with the largest contentful paint metric. This new metric can be used to measure how fast users see the largest and usually the most significant content on the page. It is now available in Chrome 77. Have you ever opened a web page and about to click a link or button, but more content shows up that actually changes the layout of the page, shifting the link or button away from where you intended to click? Yup, this happened to me too, and it can be quite frustrating. Cumulative layout shift is a new metric that you can use to derive a score on how much unexpected layout shifting is happening on a page. Number 4 goes to a number of new updates to developer tooling. Stack Packs, a feature that extends Lighthouse to include additional actionable advice depending on what tools are detected on a page, now supports more than just WordPress. If you run Lighthouse or PageSpeed Insights on any site that uses either WordPress, Magento, AMP, Angular, or React, you will see additional performance audit suggestions that are relevant for the detected stack. Lighthouse Bot was a previously released library that allowed developers to run Lighthouse in continuous integration, essentially being able to fail a build if a specified score was not passed. The MVP for Lighthouse CI, an entirely new library, has just launched, which takes this concept a step further, with a collection of commands to assert, save, and visualize Lighthouse reports over time. A number of framework and ecosystem efforts make up number 5 on this list. In terms of performance, many frameworks and tools have added a number of optimizations to make the process of building faster sites easier for many developers. We've also been working closely with the Next.js team, improving the framework in a number of different ways. This includes a better Webpack chunking strategy, differential loading with module no module, and a number of JavaScript optimizations. A few major sites already using Next.js have begun to take advantage of these new features to reduce their amount of JavaScript footprint. We announced the Framework Fund last year, and we're excited to see that many tools that we've been supporting have taken steps to improve their performance. This includes libraries like Bundlephobia and Bundle Size, as well as fully fledged frameworks like Nuxt.js. For all announcements and updates, check out the links in the description below. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. I'm Houssein Djirdeh for the Developer Show. Thanks for watching.